So one of the best ways to make your life a whole lot easier while you're skiing is to actually learn how to carry your skis. First thing you want to do is take your two skis, put them together, and lock the brakes. And then what you do is you step to the side, you put your top hand, whatever shoulder you want to carry your skis on, put your top hand, your bottom hand like this, and you swing your skis around. And what you want to make sure is the top brake is the one actually behind, so your skis don't slide off. Watch this. When I turn this around like this, my ski slides right off. You want to make sure the brake, the top brake, is the one behind the bottom brake. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I hope you have a great day on the mountain.